And may I invite Ms. Mala Singh, who is founder and CMD, PEC Solutions, Green Design Private Limited, and executive committee member on the Indian Green Building Council, who has helped us in conceptualizing this whole event from agenda and like overall positioning angle. So Malaji, kindly come on the stage.
Good morning, everybody. Say good morning. So on this special occasion of this Green City Forum, first of all, I would like to acknowledge and appreciate this great initiative of IC Connect Media Group. It's a really great beginning. I would like to congratulate you and all our dignitaries on dais and dear participants. I would like to say thank you to all of you. So you are also contributing for this responsible development message to the society by being present here. Thank you very much to all of you. Today we all are going to share our thought process. There are visionary leaders who will share their experiences and innovative ideas. All of us will interact with each other. So how we can transform our existing communities into sustainable communities. The idea of this whole Green City Forum is about that. And finally, I would say all of us know that we have only one Mother Earth. Because all of us know that millions of years ago, there were several planets came into existence, but there was only one Mother Earth, which gives us life, pleasure, quality, and human species love tribute towards our Mother Earth. So time has come. We also need to think and our dedication towards our Mother Earth. Considering current challenges of population, over-exploitation of natural resources, our needs and greeds, greenhouse gas emissions, global warming, and climate change issues. Now we need to adopt sustainable development. So sustainable development and the need of green cities, it is not just an option. It can't be an option. Responsible development is must now. All of us need to realize this, and we need to focus, and we need to move our actions, our dedication towards the same goal. To fulfill this dream of sustainable development, we need visionary leaders, not just by words, but through actions, which is very important. There is a need of healthy and vibrant cities today. A city, I would define what is a green city, healthy and vibrant city. How do we define that? A city that is good not only for 1 year baby or new year old baby, but it is good also for 80 years old senior citizen as well. So he can live happily. That's the in true sense a healthy and vibrant city in true words. Thank you. And I would say cities and nature, they aren't separate entities because together it form an urban ecosystem. And I would say that there are 3 pillars which we need for a healthy and vibrant city. One is city as ecosystems. Second is green infrastructure. Third is urban forest. And of course, last at least, that is the inclusiveness. That is the support from all the stakeholders together. So we need to adopt this green path to achieve the goal of green and sustainable development. I would like to end my quote. There is a very special quote by a global mayor of Brazil. Please listen carefully. There is no endeavor more noble than the attempt to achieve a collective dream when a city accepts as a mandate its quality of life, when it respects the people who are living in that, when it respects the environment, its values, preservation, conservation, when it prepares for the future generations, the people share the responsibility for their mandate, and this shared cause is the only way to achieve that collective dream. So with this quote, I would like to just end my